Hey y'all, out here at 2016 NSRA Nats in Louisville, Kentucky. And I got a motorcycle. You know, as little as I know about cars, I know even less about motorcycles. But it's got 4 RevTech twin motors on it. Now, I don't know anything about motorcycles, but I do know a lot about cool, and it is cool. I think y'all are gonna enjoy it. So let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. How cool is that, right? I mean, you see the Boss Hogs with the V8s on them, but I've never seen one, I think, with 4 V-twin. All right, I got it out. 4 V-twin RevTech motors. And you see it, you know, I think automatically, I think, oh, that's a Harley, but I'll be honest with you, it's probably a custom-built chassis. Looks like it might even be on air. But it is cool, and it is crazy. And I don't know what to say about it, besides look at that, would you? Look at that right there. So there you go, from a 2016 NSRA Nats in Louisville, Kentucky. A 4-engine RevTech V twin motorcycle. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!